Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be getting the water breathing. Alright, since I'm master the art of breathing yet. Okay, I gotta go meditate. Oh my god, this is so far. Oh buddy. I'll see y'all when I get there. This might be a pretty short video or pretty long, maybe, but yeah. So oh my god, damn, that looks so. Which is, we're going to go to the butterfly mansion, which is where it is, and then we're gonna go have to fight Sabito, as what the video says. So, oh heck no. Alright, we're very close now. We're getting really close. Bam, bam, boom. Ronald McDonald. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, 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 go. If y'all don't know how to get the lantern, by the way, it's actually really simple. I think I'll make a video of it tomorrow, how to get all the trainer locations for the breathing and where all the lantern, like where to find the lantern, and yeah. But we're getting really close now. We're getting really close. Oh, it's right there. This is how you do get that insect breathing. I'm gonna pick the blue one. Oh shoot! It's turning as. Oh shoot! I gotta wait. So yeah, see y'all when the cooldown is done. Great. Now I have to go all the way back because I finished the meditation. Now this is gonna be the super hard one. The Sabito. Oh god, it's gonna take like 2 million quadrillion billion years to get there. Not actually, but yeah. Oh god, we're 1,800 meters away, or millimeters. Yeah, millimeters. Oh, Moscow. If if only I just click and teleport. That would actually be really cool and easy. That make it a lot easier. Oh, what? What? What happened? What happened? Did it just disappear or something? Tripping. Oh, there's Sabito. Help me, help me. He's trying to bully me. He's trying to bully. He bullied. Go, run. Thank God people are there to do the Sabito, so I'll get a lot more help. And it'll make it so much easier. I'm actually not going to skip the fight of Sabito so you can see, because it's actually really cool. Alt! I'm going to click Alt F4. No, I'm just kidding. Dude, tripping. It seems like you understand how to concentrate on your breathing. Now it's good. My predecessor? Sabito. Oh. I be spamming Q so fast because I need to get there. Just go right here. Bam! Zam! Sorry if I'm kind of being a little funny. Oh my god, please. Don't tell me they killed him. No. Why? Why did they have to kill it already? Bro, see how when spawn, bro. 5 seconds. Oh my god. It actually took like a lot. What? Just kidding. What am I even saying? It took 5 seconds. Um, I'm gonna need help. Oh shoot. Don't see me, don't see me, don't. I'm gonna have to. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, not the water wheel, not the water wheel, not the water wheel. Oh, he does so much damage to me. I need backup so badly. Yes, I'm smart. What else? I am rotten. No. Why? What did I ever do to you, Sabito? You wanna kill me for what? Please don't kill me. I don't wanna die. Wait, he heals, bro. He heals. Yeah, no, I'm gonna need some backup. Ah, shoot. Oh my god, he does. Nah, bro, this man too OP. This man too OP for me. His water breathing is so strong. Bro, let me get up, please. Let me get up. Did you have to chop off my head? I'm not a demon. Bro, see on when I get some backup. I got some backup. Well, maybe just one backup, but sheesh, I can't do any damage. Sure, I don't know why I'm saying sheesh, but like, bro, Sabito is too strong for me. Bro, I did 1% damage. I want to do at least 10, but I'm gonna die. Cause there's like 65 two demons there. You see, child? Oh, that's. Oh, you. I gotta thank this dude. Now, how do I breathe? Let me have the setting. Oh, breathe. L. I'm gonna change that. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, thank you. Why? What did I ever do to you? What did I ever do? Please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. I will not get away from you. It is possible, but like, bro, I can't if you keep coming for me. Like, go away. You really had to chop off my head so my human soul can come out, bro. I'm not a demon. I am so. Alright. Water surface slash. That is my first mouse. Alright, alright. I might just test it out. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not gonna do it. But anyways, this was a short video, but I am gonna end it here. Bro, since this civilian can't get out, let me just kill it. Kill her. Yeah. Oh my god, that was. What happens if I eat the human soul? Nothing. I can't. It's demons only. And I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. If there even is anyone watching, because this video will not go popular because I'm not a popular YouTuber. But still, if anybody's out there watching this video, thank you for watching. As you know, I will make a how all the where all the trainer locations are and how to get the lantern, but they're gonna be in one video. So yeah, peace.